Hi guys, good morning, happy Wednesday. We're going to walk through this pretty quickly because you have a video on the next page that explains your assignment more in depth. So I'm just going to run through the agenda and the I can statement really quickly. So it is Wednesday, August 19th. You only have one assignment for today, and it is the Tennessee Figures Project, which like I said will be explained in a video on the next page. May-Do is the same as it has been all week, Epic Books. On the very last page of the assignment, you'll see the code to log in, and then you choose your name from the class list. Our I can statement that goes along with this project today says, I can summarize information about important figures in Tennessee's history. And then if you have any trouble, like always with the assignment or just a question in general, you can email me. On the video that you're going to watch on the next page, there are two very important steps that you need to complete first before you do anything with your project. If you are having trouble with either of those, please send me an email immediately so that we can get it fixed. And then right before I let you go, I can summarize information about important figures in Tennessee's history. Have a great day. I will see you all tomorrow.